All right, well, we're back at it. This time we're gonna start off with one of these. I'm not too sure what the correct name is for this guy, but I think it's supposed to act like a crawdad, but don't know for sure. So if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But we're gonna start off with this guy. If this doesn't do anything, we're gonna go back to what we usually do, is just a jig, and do what we usually do, and hopefully catch some fish. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a spider right there. I mean, it's huge too. And if you just look around, I'm basically inside of a spider web right now. So this is what I go through to try and get some fishing videos. But I guarantee you, if I was able to get that spider and put it on the hook, I bet that's a good chance of catching a fish. But I'm not doing that for you guys, so I'm sorry. So yeah, just switched it back up to a jig head. I don't know why they like these things so much, but it never fails. I seem to get one every time. Small little guy. I can do a lot better than that, so let's keep going. Another small guy. This guy's super small. I don't want to keep catching these. I mean, that's not even fair, dude. Poor guy. Dude, that is super small. Well, we'll keep going. Well, that happened so fast that I didn't even have time to record it. But another small guy. I'm gonna have to go to a different spot if this is what I'm gonna be catching. Okay, yeah, this is getting kind of annoying now. I mean, this one's even smaller than the last couple ones. So, I mean, that's kind of embarrassing. So, we're gonna have to probably go to a different spot, because every time I drop it down in there, that's what's biting onto it. So, I don't want to keep on wasting my time on those small guys. I want to get something bigger than that. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, the other day I caught some a lot bigger than that, so we're gonna keep going. But yeah, that's better than the last 5. And there's another one. Yeah, this one's much better than even the last one I got. There we go. Doing better, but I want something bigger than that. Cool, we're gonna keep going. Definitely a nice day today. Got a few people out on the water. This guy right here, he's doing some walleye fishing. Just talked to him for a bit. Yeah, if you guys thought I was joking about the spiders, that guy is huge. Another smaller guy. He's healthy looking though. It's a good looking fish. Cool. Let's keep going. There's another one. Pretty small though. I don't know how many that is today so far. I don't know if I should count those small ones. I'm not going to. I'm not going to count this guy. I mean, he's a small guy as well. I guess it's still a fish though, and I definitely can't complain. I mean, it's not as smooth as it was in the last video. It's pretty choppy right now. I've actually had some water actually come over the top into the kayak, so definitely a little choppy. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be out here, but yeah, I count this as a good fishing trip. And there's one. Small guy. Man, there's so many small ones today. I think that's probably, I'm gonna have to count how many I've caught so far, but I've only caught 2 decent sized ones. All the other ones have been super small. And I'm almost out of time, but I'm gonna keep fishing as I head towards the dock, which is way over there. So hopefully by that time we get something bigger. All right, well, can't really complain. Caught some fish. Most of them were really small, but 2 of them were decent. Definitely not big, but they were decent. But the water started to get a little choppy, so had to call it quits. Gonna head home, try and put all this stuff together for you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.